Hello, wealth enthusiasts! Today, we're exploring 15 vital money skills everyone should know, plus a special bonus tip. Whether you're a beginner or well into your financial journey, these insights will boost your financial acumen. Don't forget to subscribe for more invaluable knowledge. Money isn't just for saving. Building wealth involves more than just saving. It's about making your money actively work for you. Saving is crucial for emergencies and opportunities, but investing is key for growth. Understand the power of investing alongside saving. Wealth is about assets, not bling. True wealth comes from financial assets, not flashy items. Focus on growing assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses. Differentiate between valuable assets and costly liabilities. Mastering taxes. Effective tax management can significantly impact your wealth. Understand your region's tax codes and leverage available tax benefits. Align financial decisions with tax incentives to reduce your tax burden. Leverage other people's money. Wisely using loans can accelerate your financial growth. Borrow strategically for investments, ensuring returns outweigh the costs. Analyze risks and have a repayment plan. Earn more, not just spend less. Boosting income is as important as reducing expenses. Seek ways to increase your earnings through career growth or side hustles. Diversify income streams for financial stability. Decoding basis points. Understanding basis points is crucial in finance for precision. They represent small percentage changes, essential in large transactions. Grasp this concept for informed investment and loan decisions. Track your expenses. Monitoring expenses is key to financial control. Use modern tools for a clear view of spending habits. Accurate tracking leads to better budgeting and financial planning. Have a retirement plan. Early retirement planning secures your financial future. Save regularly to benefit from compound interest and tax advantages. Consistent saving ensures a comfortable retirement. Diversify your investments. Diversification reduces risk in your investment portfolio. Spread investments across different asset classes and regions. This strategy balances growth and minimizes downturn impacts. Make money work. While you sleep, invest in passive income sources for continuous growth. Interest-bearing accounts, stocks, and rental properties can generate income. Passive income frees you from daily active involvement. Follow a monthly income plan. Adopt the 50-30-20 rule for balanced income management. The 50-30-20 rule for income management suggests allocating 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment for a balanced financial approach. This plan ensures financial stability and growth. Add value, not just money. Focus on delivering unique value in your career or business. Providing value leads to increased income and career advancement. Long-term success comes from value creation, not just profit. Understand contract terms. Pay attention to the fine print in financial contracts. Focus on banking fees, credit card terms, and investment fees. Minimize costs and maximize benefits by understanding these terms. Understand investment fees. Know the expense ratios in investments. Lower expense ratios often lead to better long-term returns. Choose investments wisely based on these fees. Optimize financial agreements. Scrutinize terms and conditions, especially in banking and credit cards. Leverage benefits like interest-free periods and additional perks. Strategic use of credit can offer significant financial advantages. Bonus tip: secure your family's financial future with life insurance. Life insurance ensures your family's financial stability. Early investment in life insurance offers affordable premiums. It provides a safety net and can be a financial asset for various purposes. Remember, time is your most valuable asset. Manage it wisely and enjoy your journey to financial success. Thanks for joining us. Subscribe and share your tips in the comments. Stay wealthy and inspired.